In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GoDaddy account username and password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can update both details safely and confidently. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account in a web browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile name to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main area where you manage personal details and security options. Inside Account Settings, open the Security section. This is where GoDaddy groups everything related to sign-in and protection. To update your username, find the Username option and select it. You'll see a field where you can type your new username. Choose something unique that you'll remember, and avoid using personal details that are easy to guess. If the system says the username is already taken or doesn't meet requirements, try a variation with additional characters or a slightly different format. When you're happy with it, select Change Username to save. You may be asked to confirm your identity, and you might be signed out and prompted to sign back in using the new username. That's normal. Just use your updated username going forward. Now let's update your password. Return to the Security section if you navigated away. Select the Password option to open the Password Change page. Enter your new password in the appropriate field and provide any other required information, such as your current password and the confirmation of the new one. Aim for a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A good rule of thumb is to combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it long enough to be hard to guess. If your browser or a password manager offers to generate one, consider using that for extra strength. When everything looks good, select Change Password to save your update. If you see an error, double-check that your new password meets GoDaddy's requirements and that both new password fields match exactly. After changing it, remember to update any saved logins in your browsers and devices, and consider enabling two-step verification if you haven't already for an extra layer of protection. That's it. Your username and password are now updated. The next time you sign in, use your new username and your new password. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your other accounts while you're at it.